This is my delicious one-pan Cajun lime chicken. The perfect high-protein weeknight dinner. It's easy, it's fuss-free, and so delicious. This recipe is very simple. All you need to do is season, then sear your chicken thighs, chuck in and saute your vegetables, add a little bit of seasoning, some stock, cream, cherry tomatoes and your lime. Cover that and leave it to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes and you're going to be left with some juicy, succulent chicken thighs full of flavour and Cajun seasoning and a delicious creamy sauce to pour all over those chicken thighs, all served over basmati rice. This peanut chicken bowl is something I've been making time and time again recently as a quick, high-protein weeknight dinner. Think chicken satay vibes made into a delicious rice bowl with crunchy veg and pickled onions. Ready in under 30 minutes with plenty of leftovers for meal prep. So coat your chicken thighs in the curry powder and mix together your easy peanut sauce. Quickly sear off your chicken thighs to lock in that curry flavour. Add those to a baking dish, pour over that delicious peanut sauce and garnish with some red chilies and grated lime zest. And there you go. I wasn't lying when I said this was super quick and easy, but those chicken thighs are to die for, so you need to try them and they make up the perfect rice bowl. Save this recipe for chili beef dan noodles. It's a match made in heaven. You've got some seriously tasty slurpable dan noodles teamed up with a sweet and spicy chili beef, inspired of course by crispy chili beef you get from a Chinese takeout, except this is way easier to make and healthier. The chili beef we're going to cook in that sweet chili sauce until it's wonderful and crispy and caramelized. And the dan noodles couldn't really be any easier. You just need to pour very hot oil over some sesame seeds, Sichuan peppercorns, garlic and chili flakes. Add in your noodles, half the chili beef. We're going to reserve the other half of the chili beef to top the noodles, just like that. And that is it. This is a really comforting, tasty, spicy noodle dish. I just love noodles, guys. Save this recipe.
When you stuff onions with rice, ground beef, and fresh herbs, something magical happens. Welcome back to episode 82 of All Things Greek, a series where I share recipes from my childhood. Today we're making Greek stuffed onions. Since onions are in peak season, I needed to get creative with this unfortunately underrated veggie. I stuffed them with a mixture of short grain rice, lots of olive oil, garlic, ground beef, fresh herbs, and tomato paste. The rice soaks up every bit of flavor after baking, and then the onions caramelize and become so sweet and juicy. Greece is known for moussaka, baklava, and souvlaki, but there is so much more to share. So be sure to click that follow button so you never miss a Greek recipe.
If you ask me what my signature healthy recipe is, this would be it. They're the most delicious shrimp tacos made with a Greek yogurt cilantro lime slaw, pickled onions, avocado, and cassava flour tortillas. They're so colorful and delicious and bursting with flavor, and I'm sure you're gonna love them as much as we